today is our last circle time of the week, and I'm so happy to see you with me today. Hello, hello, what's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Hello, hello, what's your name? My name is... Awesome job! Okay, let's do our Days of the Week song. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, my friends, now it's time to do our months. Instead of doing our months dance today, I am going to point to the months and I want you to clap along. January, February, March and April, May, June, July and August, September, October, November and December. 12 months of the year. Woo! Woo! Okay. Now we can count our days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and today is 17. Today is Friday, April 17th. Awesome job following along, friends. Circle time is all done, all done, all done. Circle time is all done, and now it's time for play. And since it's the last circle time of the week, I want to sing our goodbye song. See you later, alligator, in a while, crocodile. Not so quick, little chick, chip, 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 chip. Not so soon, baboon, ooh, 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 ooh. See you later, alligator, in a wild crocodile. Have a good weekend, friends.